8 section.
Speaking, no. Speaking, no, 8 session.
Speaking is 16.
No, not that one. I mean, in the real test. In the real test.
3 hours. No.
3 section ya?
Yes,
3 section.
3 section. 3 section, ya. 3 section. First section, ya. The total 3, ya. The total 3 is going to be around only between 12 until 17 minutes. Total, ya. Total for 3 section, ya. First section, you're going to like introduce your name, yeah. They ask you to introduce yourself and then a little bit explaining about your educational background, or maybe he or she will ask you about your hometown or the place where you are living right now, yeah. That is like kind of like what is it, yeah, brainstorming, yeah, only like to get to know each other first, yeah, but it's part of speaking session, and the duration is only about 1 until 2 minutes, very short, yeah, very short. So if we want to be prepared, you prepare the talking about your hometown, what are the traditional food, what are the festival in your hometown, what are the traditional food, something like that. Prepare in written, yeah. First in written, later on when you deal with the native, you already know what to do, because the questions are not going to be far away, yeah. First section, yeah, your hometown, about your educational background, where you live, and about you and family. Only that, yeah. So you can always prepare for first session, and then it directly continue with the second section. Second session, you get a topic card. In the topic card, that is the topic will be different, yeah. The same like what we deal with writing task 1 or writing task 2, yeah. The topic will be different. You just follow, but the problem is that you get only 1 minute preparation. Later on, you have to talk about 2 minutes about the topic. Cannot stop. Like you cannot ask questions in the between. That is second section. So after you get the topic card, you get 1 minute preparation, and then you'll talk blah 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 for 2 minutes. My suggestion, you can try any topic, yeah, and then record yourself for 2 minutes in your audio. Like that every time, yeah. You find a topic and then you talk about that topic. You find a topic, you talk about that topic. 2 minutes and then always record. That is for your preparation. The thing, it's about 4 minutes, yeah. 4 minutes for section 2, yeah. And then will it be questions, Miss? Yes, there will be questions after you talk 2 minutes. He or she, your evaluator, will ask you questions 2 until 3 questions about the given topic. And then after that, move to the third section. What is it going to be the third section? The third section can be the same with second section. The topic can be new one, yeah, but it's like discussion. Like, for example, like I was talking to Miss Maria. Miss Maria, how is it your day? And then how do you deal with today's situation? And then Miss Maria like answer, I'm pursuing IELTS because at the moment I'm not working, like, and then I try to prepare my scholarship. And then I go, oh, what kind of scholarship? And then you said, oh, I intend to take my master degree in blah 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 blah. And then I keep again asking you, oh, is that so? In which country? And then do you like your major now? And then, but sometimes the questions in section 3, yeah, it goes far from the original topic. And then I directly saying, Miss Maria, where do you live now? Yeah. So it's shocking, yeah. First you're talking about the, what is it? You're talking about the scholarship, you're talking about education, and then suddenly the evaluator asking you about where do you live now. We have talked about that, and then, but what should I do? You answer, yeah. So there is no, oh, why? Don't ask like that, yeah. Just answer, yeah. So wherever, whatever the questions asked by your evaluator, yeah, no need to be shocked. Sometimes he will ask you very simple questions, only, okay, and then he can just ask you, during this pandemic, Miss, yeah, coming back to the other topic, yeah, during this pandemic, yeah, what are your activities actually, yeah, rather than thinking about your study, the questions can be like that, yeah. So what you have to do, okay, follow, oh yeah, so during this pandemic, yeah, it's totally like crazy days of my life, blah 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 blah, try to smile like that, yeah. So section 2 and section 3 rather different is in that. Section 2, the given questions always related to the topic. But question 3, section 3, yeah, even in the middle, in the beginning, it seems the same, but in the middle, it can be out of topic. And then what you can do is just, okay, this is my friends talk to me, so I'm just relax and then just answer whatever it is, like that. Yeah, a little bit my brief explanation about speaking. And then for the speaking section 3, that is only around 4 minutes as well. So the total, yeah, around 12 minutes only. Yeah. And then it's one specific day. Yeah. Speaking is one day only, but writing, reading, and then listening, 3 skills in one day, which you are going to do that in 3.5 hours. So that's why practice many, writing many every time we have session, yeah, 2.5 hours, unstopping, only writing, only writing, only writing. It has purpose to make you get used of the situation, to make you have the habit that is only do only do like that. Because otherwise, if we don't force you to do this, yeah, if we don't keep on asking you to write again, fix again, write again, yeah, and then later on when you deal with 3 kind of tests in one day, you'll already what is it, yeah, angry, and then what is this is too much, and then your mind not clear. But if you see, yeah, in my session, yeah, after this you are doing this one again, and then you'll get, okay, so that means I just do, right? You just do as fast as you can, do as best as you can, yeah. Okay, that's it, guys, yeah. Sorry, a little bit adding information about speaking session, yeah. Okay, so it will be, yeah, a little bit helping you, Refu, more clear about your speaking session.
So the first we just
Mm.
introduce ourselves, and the second we get topic card,
Mm.
and the
And
third,
mm, you have
yeah,
to answer after you
uh,
get the topic card. You talk 2 minutes, and then you answer his questions, 2 or 3 questions from him related to topic card. Yeah.
uh, thank you, Miss.
And the third session, new card, new topic card again, or still the same, but then the conversation goes how it goes by what they want to hear, what they want to talk, yeah, it's just randomly, yeah, randomly, okay. But like your friend, yeah, you're talking to your friend, yeah, of course this is not your friend, but I mean when you're talking also to your friend, yeah, it can just go everywhere, right, the topic. So section 3 like that, yeah, even though in the beginning it looks like following the topic card, but then in the middle it can just turn out to be something else, yeah. Be ready for that, yeah. And smile, body gesture, And then when you talk to your evaluator, when you talk to your examiner, you have to face him. Yeah, take a look at his face, not only staring, because sometimes, yeah, we forget that when we think we don't look right to our evaluator, we look to the sky, we look somewhere else. Well, avoid that in speaking session. Yeah, you have to show manner of speaking. Okay, deal with that. So I'm closing, yeah, speaking session. Yes, you can ask later on if you're not sure. Yeah, but we still have some sessions, yeah, that we can revise all. Mr. Galang also will help you further. Yeah. Now my job is coming back to the writing task 1 and writing task 2. Today you are going to have both. Yeah, you are going to have both. You are ready for the paper or anything? Yeah. Now it's time for me. We did already pie chart, right, guys? Do we, Miss Dominguez? Do we already have
We
pie
did.
chart?
We
We
did.
did, right? Yes, that's why. Because we did, and then it's time for me to check your speed and then your weakness. Mr. Dominguez, if you want to ask me questions during the process, you may. Yeah, you can. I mean, Mr. Mariano, yeah, you can ask me questions. Why? Because at the time you didn't join. Any of you actually can ask me questions. Miss, how is the structure? Show me how is it paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. I'm okay, yeah. But for the time now, I want you in 20 minutes, yeah. All right. About this one, yeah. General overview again. It consists of 4 paragraphs. First paragraph always about the introduction. Introduction can be mentioned in the year, yeah, can mention the category, what are in there, and then the data shown in, what is it? Maybe percentage, maybe blah, 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 blah. And then after that, you can mention also the color. It is presenting in which color sometimes, yeah, like that. And then goes to paragraph 2. Paragraph 2 consists of general overview. What is how to describe general overview? The same like others, yeah. Mention the highest number. What is the highest number in 2005? What is the highest number in 2010? Yeah, compare. But don't, the most important, pay attention. Paragraph 2, do not put number. Okay, do not put number. You can mention the highest and the lowest without number, yeah, or similar point from this one. And then goes to paragraph 3 and paragraph 4, you're going to describe 2005 in paragraph 3, 2010 in
Yes.
paragraph 4. Yes?
The screen, I think, still stamp at the beginning.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was talking and then you didn't see the... Thank you. How about now? Is it already?
Yes.
Okay, luckily, thank you, Miss Ade. Is Miss Ade or Miss Maria? Betul, Miss Ade.
Ada
So,
Miss.
you get this chart, yeah, and then what you are going to do is that one before, yeah. The notice is only second paragraph. Don't mention the number, yeah. You can compare the highest and then the lowest, but do not state the number, yeah, because the number will go in your third paragraph and fourth paragraph. And in the third paragraph, because you have 2 years in here, third paragraph 2005, and then fourth paragraph 2010. Until here, a bit have figure, yeah, in front of you. And then how is it to deal it? The best one in 2005, you know the highest number already, yeah, because in second paragraph you already evaluate. The highest number is, for example, is this one, yeah, satisfactory, yeah, the yellow color. And then you compare this one with the number in 2010, which is this is lower or higher. Yeah. Then, and then you also compare the list number. The list number is the blue color. And then compare with 2010, the blue color. How is it the condition? And then you're finished with year 2005. And then move to paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, you explain 2010, right? You state again the highest one, you already know this one. Compare green color with the one in here. And then the least one in here, 4%, compare with the one in here. If you see there is, what is it? Yeah, the same point, you can also state, yeah, the same point maybe. Or you can mention also, yeah, by the size of it, yeah. From the size of it, yeah, or you can mention the second highest. The second highest is the blue color with blah, 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 blah. If you still have time. Because the requirement is only 150. You don't have to create many. But you have to make sure that you are full until 4 paragraph. Yeah. Each of the paragraph 2-3 sentences enough. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see your understanding because already review. I will send this picture in our group. Mr. Fadi, you already joined us, yes?
Yes, I'm ready.
Still tired? I didn't know that you did the simulation test. It was actually you can do simulation test after. Why do you have to join last time? It's kind of like minus your time again with us. Okay, but anyway, you did the simulation test, so it's okay. Yeah. So your time start now. You get 20 minutes. Oops. Sorry. Mr. Mariano, are you okay? Or you want me? You can deal with us.
Actually, I have a question, but you have started, so I can join it and then just follow.
I can show you the slide. Everyone okay, yes? I already sent. And then
Yeah.
let me write first. Wait, yeah, Mr. Mariano. I can help you a bit with my slide.
Okay.
My
Yeah.
other slide. You start in 1930, guys. 1930. And then let's see what you get in 1950. Okay, now I want to show Mr. Dominguez example. Yeah, and not just Mr. Dominguez, all of you can just seek for the sample in here. Yeah. This is the sample. You can just follow the pattern of it. The chart below shows blah, 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 and then the category and then the year. Yeah.